Okay, so we're back at Alex's car, and we got this Nathan Tech gauge pod. Now, I love this. This thing works great. It has the magnetic tray, so you can remove this if you need to. It's sticky, double-sided sticky tape, so it'll sit flush in there like that. Unfortunately, our wires are a little too fat because we're running the AFR, so we're gonna have to make a slight incision right here for it to have the wires come out. We fed it through the clock, as you guys can see, so he utilizes the clock. The wires come all the way down, go through here, and all the way over here to where his stuff is going to be, which is right now just kind of a mess because we moved things around. So then you got your O2, and then you have the ones that you either wire into your jumper harness or wire into your stock ECU plugs. So he's OBD1, so he doesn't need a jumper harness, so he's going to have these bridged into the harness, and my friend Sam over there, he's going to be doing it, and he will show you exactly where to put these on a DA. So yeah. Alright, so what Alex is doing right now is he's depinning the harness, so that way we could well, Sam could. Who? You.
Jonathan?
Yeah.
Chris is like, this guy points at the car.
So he's depinning it so that way he could solder a wire to it, and then it'll just work plug and play like that. That's the process. So which ones did you need depinned?
A25 and A26.
A25 and A26 on the A plug for the ECU.
Yeah, there's A, B, and D. I guess they just skipped C.
Did they really?
Yeah, that's how stock computers are. It's A, B, and D.
Oh, I had no idea. What is this?
A camera?
Oh no, because everything looked grainy. And this car needs to be whiz-washed. Look at that. Look at that Sadowski bar. Look at that boy. Shake the whole car. Shake it, Sam.
One time in band camp.
What?
There's one time in band camp.
Hey, Michelle.
Band camp.
Michelle.
Wait.
Stop bugging my boy. He's working.
He called me. What the fuck?
Tell him I said to stop bugging you.
He called me and I was looking at.
That's his girlfriend. Oh, shout out to Junkyard Performance. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. It's a nice channel. They have cakes and punch and pie, and it's nice. When you go there, you get a free punch and pie. It's great, especially if you're hungry like me all the time. Look at this shirt. Look at this. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. Look at it.
Breakfast.
It says breakfast.
Breakfast.
It's a nice shirt. It feels good, but not with the long sleeve, because the long sleeve is hot in Topeka. It is hot out here, and we haven't eaten, so we're all kind of fucking dazed. Right? 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 Yeah. All right, Sam. Good talk.
Yep.
So your harness, hold on.
Jesus Christ.
So your harness should look like this, as you guys can see.
This is dumb.
So we're going based off of Sam's specs and the inside of his CRX, but instead of 3 wires, it's 2 on his, right?
I have a jumper harness. His is just straight up OBD1. His just plugs in.
Is it already depinned for you?
I guess. I don't know.
No, he said no. Yeah, it kind of broke it. That one was mine that I bought.
The clip is stuck that way.
Huh?
The clip is stuck. So I gotta pick up the little
tab?
The little tab. But I took a wire wheel.
The wire wheel?
Yeah.
I don't think it'll do anything.
Beep.
So what's next?
We take this piece and then we soak it in gasoline and throw it at the car and it lights on fire.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then what happens after that?
It just works.
It just works?
The car just starts on its own. No
Power.
engine.
Giant shoes. Process server.
Hmm?
What?
Something.
Alright, so explain to the people what you're doing right now.
I told you.
No, not me.
No, I was like, he's not gonna use the O2 sensor because this race car. So, just gonna connect the pin directly to this shit. So O2 sensor, power, ground, and this is if you got super race car computer, which we ain't got that, so we ain't using that. But yeah, I was like, these ones go with these. Over her, yellow and black is gonna be power, and this red and black one is supposed to be constant ground. But this one is the only one that you could cut though, especially if it's just straight OBD1. This one we're gonna have to basically use the strippers, cut it on two sides, use a razor blade, slit it back. But I had him depin it so that way we could heat shrink this instead of taping it, because I hate taping. Looks ghetto.
Do things right the first time, right?
Pretty much. I do them like 7 times. Since Alex ain't got no damn power to this car, I don't even know if it's gonna work. It should, but I mean...
Let me just jump it to your battery, right?
My tiny little shit?
Yeah.
I might die.
But that'll be fun. That'd be funny.
That'd be fun to figure out. What, your battery's just dead in this car or what?
Yeah.
Been sitting for a year.
A 4-banger with a banging 4. But yeah. See, it just be like that. And we solder it and plug it into your shit. Do you happen to have like the small tube heat shrink?
I have a whole bunch of heat shrink right over there on my workbench. There's a bunch of heat shrink hanging up. Can you go grab it? It's right on my workbench.
I only have the big one. I ran out of the small one. I use it all the time. It's fine.
It's perfect.
I don't need it to get any smaller.
Well, I hate to tell you, but it's small as fuck.
Shh, I've been trying.
Been trying what, to make it grow?
No, it gets smaller.
Oh.
It's like all the rage for everybody to have giant wieners, so I'm just like, nah, tiny wiener game. It's all the rage, bro. What? Hello? Wait, what's today? Wrong day.
Today is Wednesday.
Listen to you, fucking giant piece of shit.
I'm fucking hungry, man. Leave me alone.
Do you like edit, like cut and edit videos? You just upload the whole long ass video.
I just upload jump cuts and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. I don't even remember. Yeah, this is good. This is good, bro. This is fucking delicious. Nah, this is fine.
So I got my drink just chilling here in the shifter hole and sitting here eating my double Western bacon cheese.
Double
Sponsored to Carl Jr.
Double fat bitch special.
Fuck you. You're fat too, Sam. I don't know what you're complaining about.
He's thick.
I'm
right?
not. I didn't say I wasn't.
You're fat.
Oh yeah, I'm fucking like 500 pounds overweight.
He's a Snickers.
Thicker than a shitter. I mean Snicker.
What'd you say?
Maxi pads in the
Smell
afternoon.
like flowers, bro.
You love the smell of maxi pads in the afternoon?
I said I don't. Okay, that one wire.
Why aren't you eating?
Waiting for Sam.
Oh.
Alex.
Oh, I was like, bro, I'm not. I told you, I'm gonna finish this first. I hate stopping and then restarting the same fucking thing I should have been done with.
Sam, we're going to have a half on the soda?
Yeah, I don't care.
Are we going to fight for it then or what?
No. I'm not that big on soda, dude.
You're like, it's either the whole thing or nothing.
I'm not that big on soda. Only big on pee-pee.
What are you doing right now?
I'm just making this shit look as janky as I possibly can. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You know? Okay. Oi. My arm is breaking.
Hey, you should get him that knee pad that's over there for his knees.
It has nothing to do with my fucking knees.
Right there? Yeah. The dick pad.
Dick pad.
You know, papi.
For your knees.
It's for your dicks, I mean your knee.
What?
It's for your dick, I mean your knee.
My dick knee?
Dick knee.
Dickening?
Your dick knee.
Oi.
Is that better?
For my knee, yeah, but I wasn't worried about that.
What were you worried about?
It's just fucking uncomfortable. You make me uncomfortable, okay?
Sorry.
Okay, I'd like to know that this thing has power.
All right. Now we have power. It's not doing anything.
Not enough power?
Nothing.
Hold on. Anything?
Nothing yet. I'll tell you when.
That's weird. I don't know if you need a computer plugged in. I wouldn't think so.
I don't think so either. I think it just runs off of power.
Oh, I feel like I got it. So I feel like your engine harness isn't grounded.
Well, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I was like, you got like an extra, well,
Just ground it with that.
something. Nothing?
Nothing.
That's fucking weird, bro. Si quema cuh.
Nothing's on.
Yeah, the radio's on. Bruh.
It's on the second click. Can't start it. Why can't I start it, Alex?
Let me climb in the engine bay, hold up.
Okay.
I stop by that food place.
The radio just went out, and then it came back on.
Did it?
Yeah. Nothing.
You're upsetting me.
Me?
No, the car.
Oh, I was like, what did I do? So, what's happening?
Car's a piece of shit.
So it's not working.
We're throwing
Yeah.
it away.
It won't turn on because one, for both, it's not getting ground or power. Like the harness just isn't supplying power no matter where we touch it. We even tried grounding out the power to see if it'll spark, give us a little something.
If we use this cable.
It ain't even doing that. What the fuck? Yeah, it ain't doing that thing. Just to at least see that it works.
Well, I guess until next time when the engine's in,
Or something.
or something. Well, we have a constant flow of power, because right now we ain't got shit. Because obviously the battery isn't powering this harness down here. but it's powering everything else, which is weird. Yo, Alex.
Yo,
Your car's fucked up.
thanks.
Is the
I did the wiring you did.
the other end of this harness plugged in?
The other end?
Yeah, like the opposite end of that.
Should be, yeah. Well, I mean, I don't think it plugs into anything.
It should plug into like the main harness for the car.
Yeah, that's all in the engine bay.
Is that plugged in?
No.
Maybe it's that. I don't fucking know.
No.
I don't fucking know.
I didn't do no wiring, Alex.
I tried. I tried to do some wiring and it didn't work.
Great.
Stupid dog, it made me look bad.
So it's the next day, and Sam's here, and we were just talking about the car, and we were talking about how we're actually going to wait till the motor's in and all the wiring's done, so that way we can find out where things go. Like, he knows exactly where the wires go because he's smart like that, not like me. And we're gonna install more gauges, so we were like, we might as well just wait. But Sam's about to take off, dude. Thank you, Sam, for coming through.
No problem.
And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload. This video should be coming out on Wednesday. So if you guys want to save yourself some money, buy yourself a Lazymangarage t-shirt or any of the other guys' t-shirts. Links are all down below to the sponsors to save yourself some monies and to buy a t-shirt. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.